Alright guys, we are down here. It's holy shit, we're actually doing something that isn't shark fishing. It's the first time in like how many episodes now? That's crazy. Or shark related. This is we're at Cabo. Been a while. It's been, geez, I can't even think of how many episodes it has been since I've been to this place. It's been a while. There's a fair bit of live bait kicking around. We're just polishing off our burgers, and then we're gonna wow, look at all the live bait over there, look at that. God damn. We're gonna get some baits out. We've got some pilchard, we'll nab some live fish, and
sorry, special guest Sonia here again.
You're banned from the channel. Remember last time I banned you?
Did you?
Yeah, you did. I did. I can't remember what you said. It was something dumb. So I'm here by myself tonight, guys. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this episode. We've got 3 rods, a lot of hopes, and hopefully we can get some fish. Looks like there's a few flathead marks up along here, so I think it might just be an interesting night. Let's get some rods out and see how we go. You didn't yell yeet. SMH. Started out getting a few nice bites here, guys. We are hoping that we can get into a few fish. Promising signs. It's a cum rag. You caught a cum rag. Very exciting. Thanks, cum rag. Very cool.
Well,
hey?
eat the bait.
Yeah, dude. Cum rags are hungry. They go through a lot of work, man. God damn. Sit down, cum rag. You did your job. There's a fish. Yeah, there's a fish.
That's on, yeah.
Yeah, cool. Yeah, see, that take was a little more like heavy.
Yeah.
There was not much I could have done. Then I just kind of went with him.
Yeah.
That is a jack too. Look at that. What a gorgeous fish.
Shit.
Yes, this is what I mean about the night predators. You won't get too many.
That's a champion fish,
yeah,
man.
it's a gorgeous fish. Really pretty fish.
Holy shit.
Beauty. Good stuff, guys. Cool, guys. This is our first of the night. No, you go.
Oh, I was gonna say, I will say I watched that other Cabo video and like how many fish you caught, and I was just like, shit.
Yeah. Look at those canines he's got there.
God
Brutal.
damn.
You can tell he's a predator.
Shit.
Yeah.
Twice now.
Send this guy back. What a gorgeous fish. I really do like these guys. They're good fun. Good fight, and happy days. Let's get some more. Man, they look even prettier in the water, eh? Look at that. God damn. I turned my camera off because I'm a big dumb. Yeah, there's a fish.
Damn.
That's a
brim?
Yep, that's a brim. Pretty, oh Jesus.
Damn.
He has oh, sand in the eye.
Oh, brutal.
That's dog disqualification. I'm the winner by default, but he keeps the belt. Ah. Look how far down his throat even my sinker is.
Jesus.
Yep.
What do you do with that?
Try and catch him. Should see some bigger ones down the ways a bit.
Wow. Jesus Christ.
Have a look at him. Isn't he cute?
Fuck. Forget me being the scoop net champ. I think you need to take the new title.
They are spiky as fuck though. I'm 100% gonna get pinged. Oh no, I'm not. Pretty cool, eh?
Wow, that's
Yeah.
incredible.
Yeah, gorgeous fish.
You think every fish is gorgeous?
That's true. Not the first. You know what's really awesome about them though? If you look closely, the
Wow,
stripe
they're so
goes through
beautiful.
their eye. How cool is that? Like that's
There's a lot
devoted.
of fishes like that, hey?
Yeah.
Like, oh wow.
That devoted to
Gosh.
camouflage. It's pretty cool.
Is it camouflage though? You saw the stripe and was like,
Yeah,
that a
that's
fish.
true. That's true. No way. We've got him. Have I? Have I got him? Damn, that's a pretty nice brim. Just off the rocks there. Have a look at that. Yeah, it's that's gonna be a fucking close to legal fish. Their, yeah, their
Incredible
camouflage is
yeah.
just insane. That was a flathead.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a pretty big one too. Yeah.
It didn't look that flat. Oh, what's this? Oh, jokes. What's this? Speckled rock. Very rare find.
That flathead wasn't too happy about being
Nearly stepped on.
Yeah. No, it's not a fish.
What is it? Oh shit! Oh shit! You fucking stood on it?
Yeah, I stood on it. I was wondering what was moving under my foot, and then I just saw him
Holy shit!
kind of grabbing in back. Not a fan of crabs, Sonia.
No!
Why ever not?
No, they move too quick for me.
I'll teach you how to pick one up.
No, no, ah, God, oh, no, no. I'm so not okay with any of this. Oh my God, why? Oh, I'm not okay.
You're gonna rip your claw off, buddy.
Oh, God.
Look at the strength of that thing.
I know. That's why I don't let them near me, Nat.
Very thankful that he didn't bite me
Fuck.
or nip me. Thanks, crab. Very cool. Hey, you can let go now, Cobber. You can let go now, Cobber.
God, they're so... Oh, he's so scary. Look at his little arms.
Yeah.
He's like, fuck with me. I dare you.
Well,
Oh, no, 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 no. God, he's big too. Fuck.
he's big. He's
Yeah.
not the biggest. It's a female.
Fuck. I'm genuinely like,
You don't like crabs?
no.
I'm glad we saw one.
Fuck. I'm over
A
it.
cool little
already.
guy. You can tell why I didn't have any idea like that I'd stood on him. This just totally fucking disguises the crabs.
Holy fuck.
Yeah, crazy. Oh, dude. Damn. That was definitely. Oh no, still there.
Shit. You got it?
No, he's off.
Damn.
Ah, shit. That would have been quite the fish. Let's have a look how our livey's faring. Oh.
What? Oh shit. Oh, that's brutal. So much for they don't like the head.
You're right. You're dead right. They apparently do. Wow.
Maybe we should try some heads then.
Yeah, maybe. That was definitely a fish. I thought I heard a rod. Just sounded like faintest little glimmer. Let's hope he comes back. You know, I do actually have my snorkel in the car.
Hell yeah. Also, what is that?
Probably a leaf giving you a track record
No,
tonight.
that's
It's crab.
yeah, big crab, yeah.
Oh, it's blue. That wasn't even hard to get out. We've got to catch that crab real quick.
Oh,
Oh.
it wasn't that hard to get out.
No.
Oh.
Where's the little net?
See, I don't know how
Over
much.
there.
I don't know how much like this line takes, so I'm like afraid.
Yeah, that one's pretty light. I've actually given you the lightest rod.
Is that good or bad?
That means that it has a 6-pound breaking strain.
Oh, so don't pull too much.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
Now
Yeah,
where's
I thought it would be better not to pull hard just in case.
this crab boy? Under this rock?
Under a rock.
Oh, this is more dangerous than I anticipated
Yeah, that rock
initially.
is just there, right?
This one?
No, the next one.
That one. Okay, crab, please don't hurt me. It was blue, so I think it may be a blue swimmer, which would be very cool.
Thanks, crab, very cool.
Thanks, crab, very cool. If
Careful
crab,
your toes.
doesn't nip me, it'll be thanks, crab, very cool.
Okay, genuine tactic. I have a straw here. If you want to try and get him to grab the straw and then pull him out.
Oh,
Nah?
what is it? Nah, I think we're too far past that.
Oh shit! Yeah, he's just chilling.
What kind of crab is that?
I don't know.
You played right into my hands.
Fuck off, you cunty boy.
Oh, yeah,
He
nice.
just got around you.
Oh, I would have flung that up at you then, for sure. Guys, what kind of crab is that? That is actually pretty cool. Blue pincers.
Oh, fuck off.
Is it just a muddy with like strange coloration?
Oh, fuck off. Oh my god.
People are gonna call the police. And there's a girl in the park and she's being made to do acts she does not seem consensual in.
Oh my god.
Oh Jesus, it's fucking hard to pick up. Fucking hyperventilating over there, buddy.
Also, did you use the last of the live bait?
Yes.
Okay, because if not, then fucking escaped. Oh, I'm so out of here.
Oh, dude. Oh, dude, you should see the fucking pain this thing's inflicted on the net.
Really?
Yeah.
Like holes?
Yep.
Fuck, really?
I can't fucking... Oh.
Oh shit, Matt. Oh fuck.
I'm gonna have to grab him by his pincers.
Holy shit. You're insane, man. He's gonna pick up the net for you.
Thanks, buddy. Thanks, crab. Very cool.
Oh my god.
Let's get some live bait, dude. Here we go. This is how we do it. Thanks, crab. Very cool. Okay, actually, what kind of crab is that, guys? Is it just?
Oh, look at his mouth. What the fuck is he doing?
He's blowing bubbles.
Why is he doing that? Is that a defense mechanism?
It's a game. You've never just sat there and blown bubbles at a friend for half an hour?
Yeah, get him to have a straw. Oh my god, I'm terrified.
If it lets go of that, it's gonna get my hand. So
oh, really?
yeah, I'm pretty happy that it's grabbing the net right now.
I was hoping he would grab the straw. That was the idea.
What kind of crab is that, guys? I can't be a mud crab because of these blue claws, but I don't think it's a blue swimmer because it's not got the coloration on the body. Let me know if anyone knows. Maybe it is just a muddy and that's like a colour variation that they have.
Do you want the straw, just in case? Do you need something to hold on to?
Nah, I'll let him go. I reckon. Maybe a little bit further away from where we are.
Yeah.
To save us.
Be mad.
Bye, crab. Thanks, crab. Very cool. Let go. I really do wonder what that was.
Sand in my face.
Okay, guys, that's going to be us for this episode. Hope you enjoyed. It was just a quiet little trip to Cabo. We got sand everywhere and got mozzie bites galore.
Again.
We still didn't wear long clothes. To be fair, we were not planning on fishing, really.
It was hot this afternoon too. It was a really hot day.
What does that mean?
Humid. Like, you would wear long pants when it's hot.
I suppose, oh, okay, so you built onto my comment. Yeah, it's late. We've just discovered recently that I'm dumb as fuck. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Just a quiet little night at Cabo. We'll see you in the next one. I'm not sure what it'll be, but I'm sure it'll be fantastic. Stay tuned.